days ago, months ago, I made this foolish old armor thing. It's destroyed now. But now, how much Technic pieces do I have? Thousands. And I can make a better armor. Because I have more Technic, I am going to
No,
build.
you better not cry. Spent an hour building
My dad's talking
You better be stuck in there. Well, we're going to
I will use a motor to make a spinning seal. I'll see you in a little while. This looks like a starship thing. I could make a starship thing, and this thing spins. So then this will spin.
I don't want to see you in here, but okay.
Amazing! I can
maybe
maybe do that. I'm gonna think. Another motor. I actually have another motor, so I will do it next time. Okay? But right now I'm gonna make a spinning thing. So I did very good so far. This is the seal so far. This is how you may have to make it and stuff. I'm using what's it called? I'm using Lego Technic. No, I'm using Moldkin. So I just want to tell you. So I'm just gonna keep building. Now I'm finally finished. And now I need my car to plug it in one.
Oh, you made a moving shield. Wow.
With the flexor.
Nice. That is so cool. Should throw something at it and see if it like propels off of it.
Yeah, try.
Okay, hold on. Wait, let me just put the iPad down for a second. I'm still recording. Okay, go. I'm throwing this. Oh, I missed. Hold on. Okay, go. They just bump out? Nice.
And now throw it at me without it.
Mommy, without it spinning?
Mommy.
Throw it at you?
Yeah. Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy. Now with it. Mommy. Now? Mommy.
Where did it go? I don't know. It's a paper shredder now. It's a fan. Nice. Wow, you built that? Out of Technic? Wow, I didn't realize. Awesome.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Yeah, really subscribe or else you're gonna get destroyed.